sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue.
Does this mic work? Well then, that mic.
Conor McGregor hi Irish professional mixed martial artist le boxer ani a Ultimate Fighting Championship UFC featherweight le lightweight champion lo ni to ani a kumsang ni som pakwa September ni somni pathum khan UFC pound for pound ranking a som pahni na ani a UFC lightweight ranking a number 3 ani bokani Ming hi Conor Anthony McGregor ani a July ni sompali kumsang khat zakwa somriat pariata Kremlin Dublin Ireland apianga fit nga le inchis kwa asangani apa chu Tony McGregor ani a anu chu Margaret McGregor ani apa hian interview na apian nia chang hian inswal turina inring ngal arun pian chwa hian akudarun hum chwa kani ati a anaw ne ivela boy pui tu nars chuan anu in Conor apai hian darkar khat chia veya mi te shiat ni tur hian Conor hi arun man mo hle mai ati hialani Kremlin apiang le Celia nani a primary school hi Gayscoil Irish Medium School a akal thina secondary school hi Gaelcholis secondary school a akal thina ni heng hun lai hian sports lampang po hinwa mati na lo tui hle to thina football phei chu khelna sa em a football club Lourdes Celtic football club ti ate chuan a lo tel to a football club a hian Manchester United alo chan thin hle bokani kumsom pahni ani in Kremlin boxing club a hian akala boxing po training in a khelven sa thin hle a ma se boxing chu ala serious chiari lawa football atui pui laklo ani kumsang ni paruka liukan Dublin a anu le pa te hian inan leya an omna ala ta hle maya a football team te nen po in mu har ta leya thiana nga to nen alung oi lo hle a akhwa a har thin hle boka ma se na atho ngai ta a le khazir lama tui chi asilawa kumsom pasari ani in plumbing na athok ta a zingdar nga a atho ngaya darkar somranga darkar sombani te anthok thinani heti hunla hian abial nu di devin hi atong he nge ani plumbing na anthok chu sports le boxing khel turin adu angin ataksa enkol theilawa diet amomal lawa boxing training po kal har sata a atuin boxing a theihil thei silo zana te boxing training de chu akal le sham shama plumbing chu ban sana full time boxing training chu adu ta a achung te ngai dan aniwak lawa apa phei chuan arim ti lo hle a heiwang hian apa ne na chuan Conor hian kumsom ni panga kani chuan kema tho chwa nge ya millionaire kalani ang chumi huna chuan ila in chirang ati a Chungten an remti nuwa kumsom pariat mi ani in kumsang ni pasari February ni som pasaria MMA debut ni ta a Dublin a Irish Ring of Truth a Kieran Campbell ni nan in beya Conor hitakin Irish Cage of Truth a chuan a in sign up ta a akum le a straight blast gym a John Kavanagh noya a training a abial nu di deflin pon kong engkima apuin a support zela Conor hian poisa tla chamma ila eitur tha eiturin min du a gym ka kaltur min buai puin eitur min pek saka ka dream te min ngai thak sak thin ati a kumsang ni pariata chuan a professional MMA belt masaber chu a khela March ni kwa Gary Morris nen intumin a chakani a featherweight debut a Aritemi Siketov laka tlom ma se featherweight fight anelia Stephen Bailey ania lightweight a kirle nu in Conor Dillon anele boka ma se Joseph Duffy anelawani kumsang ni som pakhata tanga kumsang ni som pania CWFC featherweight le lightweight championship a achak veveya European professional MMA zinga voi khata division pani a title nei thei masaberani kumsang ni som pathum February tha chuan multi-fight contract a UFC chuan Conor hi an sign in tahiala UFC president Dana White chuan Conor sign tur hian request atam hle ani atia
And everybody's talking about Conor McGregor.
I've never seen anything like an extreme scene.
He's going to be a huge superstar.
April ni ruk kumsang ni som pathuma chuan a UFC debut chu Marcus Brimage nen khelin achak nge a first round na knockout in achakani knockout of the night award masaber to heta hian adunga dollar sing ruk adong bokani UFC president Dana White po in ain khela en chuan UFC a khel masak berani a amagkati takzeta pui lutuka chuba ka UFC avoiza khelna ni ang takani ati hialani UFC Fight Night 26 sa Max Holloway nenan khelin Conor hian a khu patina a thlasom lai chol nu in July ni som pakwa kumsang ni som palia UFC Fight Night 46 sa Diego Brado nenan in tuma achaka heta hian Performance of the Night Award masabera dongani kumsang ni som panga khan fastest victory in UFC title fight adonga Jose Aldo chu knockout in second som pathum leka ania heta hian dollar million som panga laya lo ani.
How the heck would you describe knocking out Jose Aldo in 13 seconds with one punch?
The new undisputed featherweight champion of the world. Ireland, baby, we did it! Yeah!
This was a
A style chatakle a fight tan chaktakle a skill athiam na te chuan MMA history a biggest pay-per-view draw ni tir hiala kumsang ni som paroka Nate Diaz nenan khelin second round na atloma Hei hi a UFC loss masaberani a masian pani hian Fight of the Night Award andong veve a Conor po hian dollar million khat a lo thawani heti live Bora Aldo le Nate Diaz tenena a fight le sponsorship shang tenen Conor hian poisa a lo nim le a Forbes 100 highest paid athletes alanga MMA player zinga lang masaber ani nge ani Nate Diaz laka atlom nuwa August kumsang ni som paroka rematch neya Conor hitakin Fight of the Night adong le a November ni som pani kumsang ni som paroka UFC 205 Eddie Alvarez anele pokani UFC 205 lightweight championship a chak no in UFC 2 fapa ane wangina chol sanria kumsang ni som pasari meya fapa Conor Jack McGregor Jr. aneya hebaka hian boxing a khel dona Floyd Mayweather tumdon wangin campaign tipo adua UFC a chol reitak ema chuan featherweight title ane mek po chu li sakania August ni somni parok kumsang ni som pasaria chuan Floyd Mayweather khuvela boxer chaber nen chuan anin tumta a round 10 a chuan technical knockout in Floyd Mayweather chu achakani mase heta po hian Conor hian dollar million zalai a lo thawani
The check is all right. The check's not bad.
This included
kumsang ni som pariat October ni ruka UFC octagona aron let le a heta hian Khabib Nurmagomedov nen in tumin Conor hi achaklawani kumsang ni som bakwa March ni som ni paroka chuan Conor hian social media mangin a retire tur thua puanga mase Dana White UFC president chuan a retirement hi arei lawang aron let le thwayanga ti a chubaka Conor hian Twitter a Khabib nen rematch adua octagona mule abei sei thu alo post to ani Kasom pangalay chol nuwa chuan UFC octagon aron led le in January ni som pariat kumsang ni som niya technical knockout in second som lilika Donald Cowboy Corrin chu ani Pit nga le inchis kwa asang ani a nickname to the notorious ani Lamborghini Hurricane Aveo aneya hei hi limited edition ni in Ireland na ama chia hian nein khovel puma po zani somnga che a omani sana ngai na leya collection anei to pa Rolex phei chu atam hle ani akar ngai nat ber zinga mi chu BMW i8 ani kumsang ni som paroka title challenger Eddie Alvarez ne nanin fight ma khan Rolls-Royce chuan Rolls-Royce Ghost to pay in a nickname Notorious ti hi asir vevea alang bokani kumsang ni som panga khan US atang Ireland a run letin achungte anu le pa le a u le abial nu te chu BMW 5 series le sak vekin lona in an le te chu arul sak vekani ano panlai chuan ate tawangin bully alo tuar to a tunhua po hian skula te kalin anti bullying campaign nein no pangte chu non violence poimo ziate a shil thinani voi khachu school akalain me che pakhat du deuh me hi aneya chu me chha chuan bialpa ama Conor ai opa hi aneya chupa chuan Conor hi a huat pha hleya a thiante chu Conor hi a be tir ta a he hian in swaldan martial arts sir turin a motivate hle ani UFC trash talker ti ani thin.
From the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the he wants.
People out there don't fucking move. They're not. Who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is that?
How does this all feel to you? Where the is my second belt? I've already got this one. Where's the second one at? Cheap 4.2 billion this company was sold for. Where's that second belt? Go backstage and grab that belt somewhere. Over here.
lost one of them. You're complaining that he has no gas.
His
no
question
engine.
is,
What
why
the
you
fuck
talking
about?
shit? That's his question. Why the fuck you up there talking shit? Say it like it is, you're blessed. You're blessed.
That's all right. Hey, Conor, don't throw those. Conor. That's a wrap. Get him out of here.
Apulu kum hi akol reng china puithuna thille van ni na lam abe sei wang ni lawin alo chhuana a hriat reng na le a chapau lo na na tia mase kum sang ni som palia akarami abek churuk sakania abeka hian apulu khum hi a oma wagi na bauta ani abial nu di devlin hi atira tanga atop thlenga abula engma nei lo lai pu phatsan lo tu ani baka anna hial ban sanin corner fighter ani theina tura boy pui tu ani a an pani chanchin hi mitam takin mangai na thun thu an soipo an soitel thinani atatu lang sarber a oma gorilla tatu a thutir hian kator to an berati hialani